Hi, we're going to find the least common multiple of 36 and 54. Start with 36. Two numbers that give 36 if I multiply are 6 times 6 and two numbers that give 6 if I multiply are 2 times 3 two numbers that give 6 if I multiply are 2 times 3. I'm going to cross out the 6's because we factored those out. Now that I have the prime factorization of 36, let's find the prime factorization of 54. Two numbers that give 54 if I multiply are 6 and 9. And two numbers that give 6 if I multiply are 2 times 3. And two numbers that give 9 if I multiply are 3 times 3. I'm going to cross out the 6 and the 9 because we factored those out. Now let's rewrite these prime factorizations so that I can compare the factors of these two numbers a little more clearly. Prime factorization of 36 is going to be 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. And the prime factorization of 54 is going to be 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. Alright, the factors that these two numbers have in common, they both have in common a factor of 2. And they both have in common a factor of 3. And they both have in common another factor of 3. Now, if we were finding the GCF, which is the greatest common factor, we would have all the factors we need. It would be 2 times 3 times 3. But we're not looking for the GCF. We're looking for the LCM, the least common multiple. So I also need to use these leftover factors. This leftover factor of 2 and this leftover factor of 3. Now I need to multiply all of these factors together to get the LCM. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. And then I got a 3 here. If I multiply 4 times 9, I'm going to get 36. And if I multiply 36 times 3, I'm going to get 108. So this is the LCM of 36 and 54. And we're done.